Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. You got that white and black grille up front there with your halogen headlights, chrome bumper down here with your fog lights and your tow hooks. And coming around the side we do have 20-inch rims with our Goodyear brand tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors there with the turning signals and your running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back, we got a 5-foot box back here, and coming all the way to the back, we got that Outdoorsman badging, the backup camera right there, chrome bumper just down there, and we do have our 4x4 badging as well. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here, 5-foot box as I said, and it is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle here, some storage, and more down here with a place for water bottle. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable seats, very nice. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward, forward, tilt, and lumbar support. And then up here we got the controls over the lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. And we do also have our controls over our turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers right there. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our battery and oil life up there. We do have to fill up one of our tires, but we can do that a little bit later. Now we do also have our fuel economy, our trip A and B. We have our trailer tow, our audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to our speedometer right there. It does also tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 1,539, not very many at all. That is all control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down, as well as a source changer. And then right in the center, we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. Looks great. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. You got your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord or Bluetooth. Controls over your mirror dimmer, backup camera, and settings there. You got your Uconnect apps right there. Your climate control, there is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got the off right there, as well as your phone options right over here if you did have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You can shift into reverse, and you got your backup camera there, and that is controlled from right here with our 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tune and browser. And then the climate control, we got the AC, circulation, temperature control, power, off, auto, and your front and rear defrost. Then down here we do have our trailer brake, we have our traction control and our tow and haul mode. Some storage here, more down here with a place for our phone and some cup holders right there. Got our armrest, it doubles as a storage container. Top layer, some coin holders there with 2 USB plugins and an aux cord. You can close that up, lift this guy, and you got some storage just underneath there as well. Then we do have our dual layer glove boxes here, top and bottom layer. They look fantastic. Up top you got the control over your sunroof, the little window in the back, and the universal garage door opener. And there's our sunroof, looking fantastic. Let's take a look in the back, open this guy up. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting on the handle. You got the control of your windows, handle here, some storage, and more down here. Looks great back here, same material as the front, very comfortable and very spacious. You can fold this guy down, you got another you got an armrest there with some cup holders. As well, you can fold these guys up like this. You got some storage underneath there. As well, you can fold this guy down. You got some flat surface to put stuff on top of. You can do the same with the other side. And then underneath here, you do have some storage if you did need it. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. If you want to come and take a closer look or take a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.